Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla windshield stress cracks and the possible causes that have been documented based on verified information. In certain Tesla vehicles, windshield cracks may appear without a clearly visible stone impact or external damage. These cracks are often described as stress cracks and may start near the edges of the windshield before extending across the glass. Driving systems remain operational, but windshield integrity affects visibility, weather sealing, and overall safety. This behavior does not affect all vehicles and varies by model year, windshield design, body structure, and operating conditions rather than indicating a universal glass defect. Verified information shows that one documented factor involves laminated windshield glass characteristics and edge stress sensitivity. Tesla windshields use laminated automotive glass designed for strength and noise reduction. However, laminated glass can be sensitive to stress concentrations at the edges, where small imperfections or uneven pressure can allow cracks to form over time rather than immediately after an impact. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior windshield replacement or body repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Body flex and structural interaction have also been reviewed. Vehicle bodies experience torsional forces during driving, especially over uneven roads or driveways. As a possible contributing factor, body flex transferring stress to the windshield could be related in some vehicles, but this is treated as a possibility rather than a confirmed cause in every case. Thermal stress is another documented consideration. Rapid temperature changes such as using defrost on a cold windshield or exposure to extreme heat followed by cooling can create uneven expansion in the glass layers, which may contribute to crack formation in susceptible areas. Installation and mounting behavior further influence stress development. Windshield mounting relies on adhesive bonding and proper seating. Variations in installation alignment or adhesive distribution can influence how stress is distributed across the glass over time. Corrective actions described in verified information typically include inspection of the crack origin, evaluation for edge stress versus impact damage, and assessment of windshield mounting condition. In many cases, windshield replacement is required once a crack forms, regardless of cause. Reviewed information indicates that windshield stress cracks are not universal and often relate to glass stress behavior, body interaction, thermal effects, or installation factors rather than a sudden manufacturing failure. In conclusion, Tesla windshield stress cracks are generally linked to laminated glass edge sensitivity, body flex interaction, thermal expansion effects, and mounting stress rather than an immediate external impact. The issue varies by vehicle generation and conditions, and proper inspection is necessary to determine the appropriate resolution. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.